Wow, it is dark as.
Are you still wearing your sunglasses?
Oh yeah. Silly me. Why is it so dark? Well, there you go.
That would explain everything, I think.
Yes, it would. That's another sunny, windy day out here in Dunedin. It's the end of December. We're just 3 days away from the end of possibly the worst year in history. Say goodbye to 2020 and we welcome a new year and cross our fingers and remain as optimistic as we can that 2021 will be a better year. There's no snow. It's the complete opposite of a white Christmas. It's summertime, but it is also summertime in the South Island, the deep South Island. As you can see today, it is fine weather. The only thing is it's hella windy, and the type of activity that we want to do today is not really one that's ideal for windy weather. And of course, I'm talking about one of the main things to do when you're in Dunedin, which is Tunnel Beach. Tunnel Beach is a sandstone cliff which is carved by the ocean, by the sea. The most beautiful cliffs you'll find around the Dunedin area. I mean, of course, you have the Otago Peninsula, but Tunnel Beach is something special. It's a bit of a hike to get down there. Ling and I have already done this before, the first time we were in Dunedin, but I figured it's been a while since I've vlogged anything, and you guys can follow us on our trip to Tunnel Beach. Can you kill the music?
What?
Can you kill the music, please?
Why?
Because it's gonna interfere with the audio. I'm trying to record a vlog.
But it's Silverchair.
And you can play Silverchair on the way to Tunnel Beach.
Promise?
Yes, I promise. One thing you need to consider if you're planning a trip down to Tunnel Beach is you need to look at the tides. I said that weird.
Oh, God.
You want to look at the tides because you can go down this like really crazy, kind of scary tunnel. I guess that's why they call it Tunnel Beach. If it's too high a tide, it won't be accessible. We're pretty lucky because low tide was at 11:06. It's about 2:30 now, and it should be relatively low by the time we get there. So I think we'll be all right. We're still within 2 hours of low tide, so we're good. I think we'll be all right. We'll check it out. Cool. Let's go. Right, here we are at Tunnel Beach. Oh, hey, mate.
Hi.
Oh, man, that makes me so
It
sad.
must be so hot in there.
Poor guy.
Barely even left the windows open.
I know.
He's hot, that's why his tongue is out.
I know. It really breaks my heart. Hang in there, boy. I know. Hopefully, your owner will be back soon. Okay, so it's kind of windy. I'm gonna grab my jackets. As you can see by the packed parking lot, it's always like this at Tunnel Beach. Very, very, very popular tourist spot, even for locals. So if you're looking for that perfect Instagram shot, Tunnel Beach. Tunnel Beach, baby. Tunnel Beach, 1 hour return. Not an easy hike. Apparently there's a sea lion. There she is. Tunnel Beach, sandstone cliffs. Woo! First time we did this, I was not equipped for this walk. I had just a pair of like running shoes. Didn't have my trail runners yet. And guess what? Today I did have my trail runners with me, but I forgot to put them on, of course. So guess what? Still wearing sneakers. I think this is the bench where my cousin Yan and her friend Jackie threw in the towel the last time we were here.
And then
Played
they
it
lied
off.
and said to Cyril that they went the whole way.
But they lied. They lied. We're gonna break the rules a bit. This is at your own risk. We're gonna cross that little fence over there and head out onto that massive sandstone cliff. Here we go. This is where you gotta go to get the best view. very exposed though. But from up here you can actually see Tunnel Beach. It's down there. It is windy. It is windy. Any day, but particularly today. Tunnel. This is the creepy tunnel I was talking about.
I think this was built by some rich guy so that his daughter could have a private beach.
I heard it was like the son of Cargill, William Cargill, and there was rumor that his daughter drowned swimming here.
Oh, really?
That's a rumor. I don't think it's been proven.
Urban legend. Yeah, because they say the beach here isn't swimmable.
It gets too crazy.
Yeah.
Really, you gotta watch your step here. Meaning I should focus more on where I'm walking and look less at the camera. Silly me wearing my sunglasses in the tunnel. Wow. I was just stepping on that rock, I didn't realize. And then that rock started to move. I'm like, what the heck's going on? First seal. Totally camouflaged.
They mentioned it, that there's a first seal right at the bottom of the circle.
I was making my way. I was literally gonna step on that rock and potentially step on his head. So there's 1, 2, 3. 3 first seals at Tunnel Beach today. Having a rest. It's not what I expected.
They have bile around their teeth apparently, so if you get bitten by them, not only is it a really bad bite, but then you get easily infected.
Thanks. Hopefully ACC covers that.
Yeah, but still, no one wants that.
Nah. Oh man, I wish I filmed that.
After yesterday.
They freak out when they realize there's a sea lion right there. Okay, let's head back. Someone is gonna get bit by that sea lion, I'm telling you. People figured it out right before it was too late. That's what I'm telling you. Someone's gonna think it's a big old brown rock, and then that sea lion's not gonna be too happy about that. It's a lot easier to go through this tunnel when you're not wearing sunglasses, I realize. Oh, that's cool. What an awesome shot.
Do you see me?
Yeah, it's like it's their silhouette.
Yeah.
But it's the textures. It's the textures. So in the time we were down at the beach, not 1, not 2, but 3 people almost stepped on that first seal. Now the fun part begins. We gotta make our way back up to where we started. Just started the timer. Gonna see how long it'll take us to get to the top. They average it at about 30 minutes. Let's see if we can beat that. And that's time. Oh, just under 10 minutes. 10 minutes up some really steep track. Basically the equivalent of going up 48 floors. I need to use this guy. I told Ling I wanted to test myself just to see how long it would take me to get to the top, which is why I left Ling behind. Ling's probably should be almost done by now. It's good they have these porta potties here. They didn't have these here last time. No sinks, but alcohol. There she is. Champion.
That's not an old Chinese lady this time?
No. You made me laugh. I choked on my saliva.
Wasn't as bad as the first time for sure.
We ran. I started off running and then it just got way too steep. Water. If you want to see Tunnel Beach, you gotta work for it. Maybe you'll be lucky and you might spot some first seals at the beach. Thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one.